Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening YouTube. Calm and signing in because history ties to your Google account. Once signed in, click your avatar at top right, then choose Manage your Google account and navigate to Data and Privacy. Make sure to find the YouTube History or Web and App Activity Controls. This is where YouTube Watch and Search logs live. You'll be taken to Activity Controls. From here, you can view or manage YouTube history, which prepares you for the next steps in deleting specific or all entries. Now go into My Activity and filter the View to YouTube Search or YouTube Watch history so you only see relevant entries. You can search by keyword, pick a date range, or tick individual checkboxes for specific videos. This precision helps when you don't want to erase everything. Once items are selected, click the three-dot menu or Delete button and pick Delete options. Last hour, custom range, or all time. Make sure to confirm each prompt so deletions are applied correctly and remembered across. Finish by confirming deletion. You'll see a final prompt. Accept it to permanently remove those entries. Once done, consider clearing your browser cache and cookies if some traces still show, because local data can linger. Then, toggle pause on YouTube history or web and app activity to prevent future logging, and test by performing a new search or watching a short video. Then check My Activity to verify nothing new was recorded. If entries remain, sign out and back, and retry the delete steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.